Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my journey on how I earned $7,000 on Fiverr by composing relaxation and meditation music. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on music, creativity, and freelancing. Let's dive in. So, first off, let me give you a little background on how I got started, because I think it will help you to understand the journey, and it will be help you to get an idea that what kind of platform is Fiverr. I've always had a passion for music, and over the years, I found myself down to the shooting sounds of relaxation and meditation music. There's something magical about creating a piece that can help people to find peace and calm in their busy lives. So I get used to it, and I've always tried to compose music and find out relaxation places and just trying to post in them on Instagram and various different places. So at one day, I decided to turn this passion into a side hustle and join Fiverr for a popular freelancing platform. Fiverr is a great place for creatives to offer their services to a global audience. I set up my profile, listed my service under the relaxation and meditation music category, and waited for my first order. And that was a great mess because, like, getting the first order was a huge milestone. I remember putting extra effort into making sure the client was happy with the composition. Over time, received more orders, and my client's base started to grow. Now, that's the turning point because I here, like, I would like to share you some key tips that help me to success in Fiverr, because I am doing this video to enhance you the specific thing. Number one is quality over quantity. Always prioritize quality, not the quantity. Each piece of music I created was carefully crafted to ensure it, and it met the client's need and expectation. So I will show you my gig. So here you can see this is how I composed, not composed, this is how I created my gig image, that it's very clear, you can see. And I've used neon effect, because neon effect that I have used because anyone can see it clearly, and it eye catchy. Like 100% genuine, custom made, millions of views, relaxation, meditation, spa, studying by binaural music. So my customer base can easily understand what the profile does, what the gig does. So then I used a unique custom made music, piece of music, so you can listen to it now. So like that, I composed music for, I composed custom made music for the profile. So then that's this is the quality that my customer base was expecting, and they were giving me the orders. And the second one is communication, and clear and prompt communication with clients is crucial, because understanding their requirements and providing regular updates build trust and ensure satisfaction always. And communication is one of the most important things in Fire, because, like, you can see that I'll show some of my inboxes, so you can see I have replied instantly. Communication is the most important key things, because, like, you can see here, they have value me in 5 stars because of my communication and the composition. And another one is unique selling point. I focused on creating a unique sound that set me apart from other composers, because if I compose the same sound like the other composers, so I will not be unique and no orders will come for me. This helped me attracting, but this helped me attracting clients looking for something special and different. So it will also help me to achieve this target. Like another one is, as I said, positive reviews and testimonial played a significant role in attracting more clients. Like, happy customers often leave glowing reviews, which boost your profile and credibility on Fiverr. And don't be afraid to ask satisfied client to leave a review. Do not ask to leave them a positive feedback. Just ask them to leave a review, whether it is positive or negative. That depends on your client. You can't ask positive reviews because it will violate TOS, and your account will be banned. And another important aspect is marketing your service. So you can see that in everywhere here, you can see you can share your gigs. You can share your gigs with in your social media profiles, and your Instagram, TikToks, and everywhere. So here you can see LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook. You can see there are many places to share. So do not forget to share, because I used social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to like showcase my work and reach a wide audience. From that, I used to follow most of the groups and pages regarding my category. So please do follow them, and just put your links there and ask your audience to come to you. And sharing snips of my composition and behind the scenes of footage help to engage my followers and draw more attention from my Fiverr gigs, because I just posted how I shoot bird sounds and almost every stuff. So that also helped me to grow my channel. And after like 2 to 3 months, I decided dedication and a lot of creativity, I finally reached the 7,000 milestones that you can see here, my earnings. And it been an incredible journey, because 7,000 for me, 7,000 is a huge amount, because like for me it's 700. If it is 700, it's also a huge amount for me, but it is 7,000 and it's absolutely huge. I couldn't have like uh, with without the support of my clients, I would not be able to do this, and I'm always thanking my clients. And what I need to tell you is, if you are passionate about music and looking to turn it to a profitable side hustle, I highly recommend to give it a Fiverr try. Like, if you can try on Fiverr, you definitely be able to earn some money from Fiverr if you are good at music, because music composers are less. The services that music composers are less in Fiverr, you can see, and it take time and effort, but the rewards are definitely worth it. And that's what I need to share with you. Sometimes this will be a boring video, but what I need to share with you is like, we can earn, you can earn, everyone can earn. You have to shape your talents. And thank you for joining me on this journey, and hope my story inspires you to pursue your own creative dreams. And as I said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on music and freelancing. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thank you.